Are you looking for new fun activities to do? Thinking about maybe using food as a fun way to engage your child? And does your child love dinosaurs? Well, then this is the perfect video for you. Hi, I am Amy Baez, Pediatric Occupational Therapist, founder of Playapy, here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. Today I spent some time with my little cousin Noah and we had so much fun in his kitchen. I want to share the video with you so that you can see what we did together. I know that Noah loves dinosaurs and I wanted to engage him in something that would help him improve fine motor skills as a nice warm-up activity to get his fingers engaged before doing something more intense like drawing. Using food is a great way to provide sensory play with your child. This is a way to engage their senses in different ways. This particular video involves a lot of touch and tactile input using marshmallows because they're super sticky. Sometimes children can avoid that sensation, so maybe you want to introduce it to them in a nice playful way. They get used to kind of being okay with their fingers being a little bit messy. Another great thing is that we are working on using our fine motor skills to break some pretzel sticks. So let's watch the video so that you can see how much fun we had. Today, Noah, we are going to play with food. Does that sound like a good idea? Yeah? And what do we have here? What are these?
Marshmallow.
And take two. No, what are these? What are these right here?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. What do you think about us playing with food, making a dinosaur skeleton? Does that sound like fun? Yeah? All right,
Yeah.
so we need to take these dinosaurs away. So let's say bye-bye, dinosaurs.
Bye-bye.
You want to help me?
Bye-bye.
We're going to be doing a Stegosaurus. So, can I show you what it is? I have here our
Dinosaur.
Yeah, it's our baby Stegosaurus. And we're going to make our food on top. So this one's yours and this one's mine. And we're going to use pretzels, right?
Oh, yeah.
These are gluten-free because I can't eat gluten.
No,
So,
me too.
you too? All right, so we're going to use our pretzel sticks.
Dude, I want to try
And
it.
we're going to break them. Can you break them? Show me how you break them. They break really easy. These are super easy, right? So we're going to put them here. And then we're also going to use March. Oh, you're eating already? You're supposed to wait. All right, we got to wait to eat. This is going to be what we're going to use to make our dinosaur skeleton. So we're going to wait to eat, all right? And then we have some marshmallows, right?
I like that.
Yeah, they're super sticky. What happens when you pull them apart? Can you show me? You washed your hands, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course we did. All right, so we have our marshmallows, and we're going to pull them. Look, we're going to pull them apart like this. Oh, they're so sticky.
Hey, I break it.
Yeah, keep breaking them. Look, you have your little plate. You could put the plate here. Put your marshmallows. They get super, super sticky. So this is going to be like our glue,
Look.
right?
What is this?
Good job. All right, so we're breaking up our marshmallows to connect them to our sticks. Yeah, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you. So we take a stick and we put the marshmallow on the end of the stick like that. You see it?
Yeah.
So get a stick, break it in half. And we're going to put our marshmallow on the stick. And then we're going to put it on a dinosaur like that. You need help? All right, how do you think we did? Do you think we should do more?
No.
We're pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, that's a nice dinosaur skeleton. Good job, high fives. All right, should we eat it? Yeah? All right, let's eat it. Mmm, it's salty and sweet. You like it? Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like marshmallows.
You like marshmallows?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Looks good?
Yeah.
All right.
Delicious.
It's delicious. Should we do this another time again?
Let's do the T-Rex.
You want to do the T-Rex? I think we're going to have to save that for the next time. Let's say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
How fun was that? You guys, I tried this activity with some of my patients and they all loved it. You give them food and they will do just about anything. We're smelling the food, we're tasting the food, we're touching the food, we're seeing the food. We can even hear the food when it snaps with those pretzels. So this is a nice way to really get multiple senses involved, and it creates great memories when you do that. It's totally okay if your kid just wants to eat and snack on it too. The point of this activity is really just to kind of introduce and warm up a child. It is not about perfection. So I don't expect his final product to look like mine. I'm just modeling for him what it can be. I could have made this activity a little bit easier for Noah if I had eliminated the marshmallows. You can do this activity with even younger children just using the pretzel sticks. Another thing I could have done to make it a little easier for him is also just avoid breaking the sticks and just using the long sticks so that he didn't have to add that extra bit of struggle in there. Also, I'm going to attach a link for this video so that you can have this same drawing that I had or something similar so that you can do this activity at home with your child as well. Did you find this video helpful? I hope that you did. If you did, I hope that you will subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below, like this video, all that good stuff. You can also head over to playapy.com where you can sign up for our newsletter, where you can receive discounts and updates and all kinds of things related to Playapy just once a month. And you can also learn about the PALS handwriting program. So there's plenty for you to learn and many free resources there. Until the next video, I hope you have a playful day.